In this video, I will show you how to fix eBay PayPal not working. First, launch open any web browser and go to ebay.com. Make sure to log into your account. Now, tap on the profile icon. From here, tap on the account option. From this menu, select the option of payments. Now, if PayPal is connected but isn't working correctly, remove the saved PayPal payment method and then sign into your PayPal account separately. Now you want to open your PayPal settings. For that, tap on this menu icon, then tap on this gear icon. Now you want to look for the option of automatic payments or merchant agreement. If you see eBay listed, review the agreement and then if appropriate, stop or cancel the existing billing agreement. This can help remove an outdated connection between the two accounts. After that, return back to eBay. Now add an item to your cart, proceed to checkout and select PayPal as your payment method. Sign into PayPal when prompted and follow the instructions to reconnect your account. In this way, you can easily fix eBay PayPal not working problem. If you found this video useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.